One value reform. Yan ang sigaw ng RP Vara. Ngunit ano nga ba ang dapat malaman ng bawat property owner? One property, one value. Simple kong pakinggan. Ngunit ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin nito sa bawat property owner, buyer, and even taxpayer dito sa Pilipinas? For many years kasi, one property could have different values depending on the government agency. The assessor had one value. The Bureau of Internal Revenue had another value. Even banks had their own appraisal. And the market had a different selling price. These often created a confusion, inconsistent taxation, and even opportunities for undervaluation. And to address this, para maitama ito, the government enacted the Real Property Valuation and Assessment Reform Act or RP Vara. It is also known as One Value Reform. Ano ba ang objective ng One Value Reform kung tatanungin natin? Simply put is, isang property should have one standard value na pantay, transparent, and based on internationally accepted valuation standards. The goal is to promote consistency in property valuation, ma-improve ang ating public trust, and ma-modernize ang ating country's real property valuation system. Ang tanong, ano naman ang epekto nito sa ating taxation? Alam nyo kasi, kung magiging pare-pareho ang valuation ng isang property, mas magiging pantay, mas magiging equitable ang pagbubuwis. Ang layunin kasi ng batas ay hindi basta dagdagan ang buwis, kundi tiyaking ang valuation ay tama at pare-pareho para sa lahat. Sa ganitong paraan, mas magiging maayos ang assessment ng real property taxes at iba pang government transactions. Paano naman ito makakaapekto sa pagbili at pagbibenta ng lupa? Alam nyo kasi, pag mas reliable ang valuation system, it can make real estate transactions more transparent. Yung ating buyers and sellers can make a better informed decisions, while yung ating mga financial institutions and government agencies can rely on more consistent property values. Of course, bawat reforma naman na meron tayo dito sa Pilipinas ay may tinatawag tayong challenges. Yung ibang property owners kasi are concerned that updated property values may result sa pagtaas ng ating taxes and fees. That is why importante na mas maintindihan natin na ang success ng reformang ito ay nakadepende sa tamang implementasyon, sa transparency at ang ating public awareness that this is not just the law itself. My advice as a licensed real estate professional, as a property owner or future investor, huwag kayong mag-focus lamang doon sa price of the property. Understand how it is valued because in real estate, yung valuation influences the taxation, the financing, and even investment decisions and ultimately ang totoong value ng property mo. One property, one value makes it one step toward a more transparent and professional real estate system. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because your support will help us and make the real estate knowledge more accessible to everyone. This is the Real Estate Desk Putlaw, nagsasabing pag-usapan natin ang realidad para sa responsableng kinabukasan.